Okay, let's get started with a nice easy stretch. Take your left leg all the way out. Bring your left hand all the way to the front. Go as far as you can. We're gonna hold that stretch for 30 seconds. Focus on your breath. Inhale and exhale. You go a little deeper every single time you breathe. Inhale and exhale. Now, when you're stretching, focus on analyzing what your body feels like. Don't strain yourself. Don't let it hurt too much. You should feel a slight discomfort. We have 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice. Let's go to the next side. Same thing, reaching forward. If you cannot come as far, just focus on where you can come. Maybe this is where you need to be at. Maybe this is where you need to be at. The important thing to remember is to make sure you're at the edge of that chair and you're pulling that toe towards that shin. Inhale and exhale. This is so good for you to take that break. I mean, relax, let the mind just do what it needs to do. Let your body just recover. We have 3, 2, and 1. Nice. Legs out, bring it forward. Once again, go as low as you can. If you find it's too difficult, you can get a yoga block or a couple of books to elevate so you can rest comfortably. Or if you want to just use your fingers, if you can go all the way down, flat to the ground, feel free, but just make sure you're not forcing that stretch. Deep breaths in, deep breaths out. There you go. In and out. One more time, deep breaths in and out. Good, and relax. Sit straight up, take the left leg and pull it in. So what I'm doing now, I'm gonna rotate the toes, going outwards. And I'm not grabbing the tibia area. I'm grabbing the front of the knee. If you feel that's too much pressure in your knee, hold the back of your legs underneath the thighs, okay? But focus on that pull in and rotate. We have 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice. Come to the next side. Same exact thing. Lift up. And I'm rotating outwards, okay? Remember that. You're going to find that one side you might feel a little bit more looser than the other. Well, the brain works differently in both sides. So focus on the control, that circulation, and that breathing. You have 10 seconds. There we go. 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful. Arms up. And just give me a gentle twist, okay? Nothing big. Get the elbows up high. Inhale and exhale. There you go. Pull that tummy in as much as you can. Don't force the twist too much. Really focus on the control. That's right. That should feel so good already. We have 3, 2, and 1. Good. Arms up. Give me that stretch here. Get that good stretch. Really find that pull. Inhale and exhale. You have 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice. Come across to the other side, the same exact thing. What I want you to do, I want you to focus on feeling the stretch running all the way through this area right here. Really open up. There you go, you got it. Big breaths out, inhale, exhale. Go a little further into that stretch. We have 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And relax. So we're gonna take both arms up to the top, interlock them together, lock them together and reach as high as you can. Inhale and exhale, feel the stretch right through those shoulders. Open up that pathway, don't lock yourself out. When you find yourself sitting at that computer desk all day, you're feeling crunched up, you're feeling tight, this is gonna help you to open up and really allow that blood to circulate. That's what we need. We're gonna maintain that same exact stretch, right? But we're gonna tilt towards that right side and my right hand is gonna pull all the way across. There you go. You're doing great. Feel that pull. This right hand is pulling this left hand all the way. You got it? There you go. We have 8 seconds. Feel that bend. Every time you exhale, try to go a little further if you can. If you can't, don't force. And come across to the other side. Take your time. Get that pull. Inhale, exhale. You're doing fantastic. You're doing great. Here we go. Don't forget to breathe, though. That's the key point, is to breathe. 10 more seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come back up and relax. All right, so now we're going to go to the neck. I want you to tilt that neck to the left and feel the stretch coming right here across that right side of the neck. If you want more pressure, you can take the left hand, come across, and gently pull and breathe and take the pressure off that right shoulder. You want to drop that shoulder down, but don't slouch. I want you to lift that body up and feel that stretch. You can close your eyes and just enjoy that moment. Here we go. You got this. We're done in 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful. Go across to the other side. Same thing. Give me that gentle pull. Don't pull too hard. Remember, if you pull too hard, you're causing unnecessary trauma to your body. We don't want that. We want to loosen the body up. We want to allow circulation to happen. We want to allow inflammation to reduce, okay? Inflammation. 8 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come back to the middle. So you're going to take your hands here, reach up to the top of the head, elbows in, and you're going to press down to feel the stretch to the back of the neck. Once again, don't pull too hard. Nice work. Take the leg, fold it across, gently press down. You want to feel the stretch running through the hips now, okay? All of these stretches are just fantastic for just loosening up your body. You know, we're all different in our own self. Our biological makeup is very different, but one thing is for sure, we have to focus on our health, every last one of us. And flexibility is very important. You don't need to put your toes to your head and relax, but you need to focus on your stretching every day. I am not the most flexible person. As a matter of fact, I've gotten so tight over the years, so I could feel the difference as my body matures in life. But it doesn't mean I'm gonna sit back and just don't do anything. You're gonna have to keep on doing this video with me all the time. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Every day, every single day you stretch. We're going through the whole body, okay? You have 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful. So here we go. Thumbs are going to come underneath the armpit, and you're going to lift up. I call this the bosom lift, okay? Lift it up, and you're going to feel the stretch through your thumbs. If you find that too hard and you can't get here, just do one at a time and pull it like this, okay? But if you can get both at the same time, just lift all the way up. If it's too hard, you can open your arms out. If you want to make it more difficult, bring your elbows closer to the body. There you go. And relax. Take the arms, extend out, but don't stretch all the way out. Just give me a slight bend in the elbow. I know you've seen this before, but don't do like that. That's bad for your joints. Bend the elbow. So you want to be like this, okay? So you see where I'm at? You want to have that position here. So you're stretching through the fingers and that wrist. We have 8 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Same thing on the other side. Shake it off a bit. Same thing here. Bend the elbows. Once again, don't let me see you doing that. If you're doing that, don't do it. Just from here and just pull back. Fantastic. That feels so good. So once again, you're typing all day, you're writing all day, you're doing all this stuff at your workplace, you're sitting in front of that desk. Take that time and stretch out all these joints because they're very important in the future. You're going to need them. You have 3, 2, and 1. Now here goes an interesting one, top of the foot. Put the foot here, and you're just going to press down. What I'm looking for is the stretch to run on the top of that foot. So I'm pressing down. You see where I'm at? You have to find that stretch. You have to find it. If you don't find it, Just keep on practicing, okay? Find about moving the foot around and just seeing where you feel that stretch to the top of that foot. We have 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Same thing on the other side. Find that same exact feel. I found mine right away. When I first started doing this stretch, it took me some time. And if you get any cramping, like right now I feel like I'm getting some cramping, but I could bear it in the bottom of the foot. Just readjust yourself and then get after it again, okay? There we go. 10 more seconds. Keep on working. That feels great. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, and relax. So we're gonna just add a little bit of dynamic movement here, reaching down and up, and then we're gonna go all the way up to the top and open. And take your time. Remember, this is just a rhythmic movement. We're not going fast and not looking for intensity. We wanna move the body in a subtle motion. Open up and relax and inhale. Oh, that feels so good. Nice. One more and then we're done. Beautiful. Hold the arms out, lift that chest up, pull the arms back. Feel everything, rotate the hands up for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Yes. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. Keeping the body mobile, keeping the body flexible, allowing the synovial fluids to move the way they need to move, keeping yourself in that mindset where as we mature, we don't want to get too tight. We want to make sure that we're staying loose and staying limber. Flexibility, to me, is the key to overall health. When we get too tight, then our organs are also beginning to get tight as well. So flex, 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 flex. Keep on stretching every day. Take the break, do this video. Subscribe to the channel if you've not done so yet. Follow me at cheerworkouts.com. Become a part of the membership. Subscribe to it. If you don't want to be a part of the membership, you can click the button below. Click that donate button and donate because it costs time and energy to make these videos for you. So leave your comments. Share this thing with your family and your friends. Subscribe to the channel. I know it's a lot, but this is team effort, all right? Looking forward to hearing from you. What do you want to see next? All right? Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.